Reflections and line symmetry. A line about which, when given figure is flipped, does not change its shape is called line of symmetry. In this example of butterfly, if we place a mirror exactly where the red line is, nobody can tell which side is the object and which side is the image of that object. Such a line is called line of symmetry. Here we have a question. Given figure is part of a larger figure. Part A. Find coordinates of each vertex of the given part. Let's name this as A, B, C. It's always good to name a given figure A, B, C, and D. Let's name this figure. And we want to write the coordinates of each vertex. And for writing coordinates of this vertex, first we need to find its distance from vertical line, which is y-axis. So let's name this as y-axis and measure its distance from vertical line, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, coordinates would be 4. 4 means its distance of 4 units from vertical line, and now measure its distance from the horizontal line. 1, 2, and 3. Its distance from the horizontal line is 3. Therefore, its coordinates are 4, 3. Similarly, let's take a look at the vertex B. How far is it from the vertical line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Therefore, the abscissa, the first part of the coordinate, is known as abscissa, and that is 9 in this case. And now we are going to measure its vertical distance, which is same as A, because A and B both are at the same height. Therefore, both have the same ordinate. Ordinate is the second part of the pair. And now we are similarly going to write coordinates for D, which is horizontal distance from y-axis is 3 and vertical distance is 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 6. And C, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is its distance from y-axis, which is always written first. And then it should have the same height because D is at height of 6 units, so this must be at 6 units height as well. These are called coordinates of the vertex. Now, the next part. In the next part, it says reflect given part about the line y is equal to 3 and then draw the figure. Now first we are going to draw the line y is equal to 3. Which line is y is equal to 3? Here you can see that A has ordinate 3, B has ordinate 3. It means that if we take a look on this line here, the y will always remain 3 on this line because this is the height of 3 units from horizontal. So let's call this y is equal to 3. This is the line. If we want to flip over this shape, or if we place a mirror exactly where the line y is equal to 3 is, then what would be the shape? The point A would be invariant. This wouldn't change at all. And B would be invariant point because this is exactly on the line of symmetry. So now, if D is 3 units above this line, now it will go 3 units below the line. 1, 2, 3. So D will become here. This is D, and we can draw this line here. And similarly, C is 3 units above the line, so C would be 3 units now below the line, and this would be the line. We can similarly draw this line and join both of these lines. and this would be D dash and C dash are both images of D and C. So reflect the given part about line y is equal to 3 and draw the figure. So that is done as well. And now the third part says reflect the given figure about x equal to 1. Now which line is x equal to 1? Let's take a look on this point, this point, this point, this point, and this point. What is common about these points? What is common about these points that all of these points have horizontal distance 1 from the vertical y-axis. Therefore, this line here is called x equal to 1. This line is x equal to 1. And now if we want to flip over the part, reflect the given figure about x equal to 1 and write coordinates of the new image. So now D is 2 units toward left. This will go 2 units toward right. So this, if D is 2 units toward right, D double dash will go 2 units toward left. So 1 and 2. So this is where D double dash would go, D double dash, and C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So C is 7 units away from this line toward right. Now it will go 7 units toward left. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over here. So this would be C double dash. And now A, how far is A from this line? 1, 2, 3. It is 3 units toward right. The reflection would be 3 units toward left. So 1, 2, and 3. So this is 3 units toward left. This is A dash. And B is how far? That is 8 units toward right. Now this B dash will be 8 units toward left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is going to be B dash. Now D dash is 2 units toward right. Therefore, D double dash will be 2 units toward left. So that would be right here. That would be D double dash. And C double dash would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7 units toward 1, 2, 7 units toward right. Now we'll go 7 units toward left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 here. So therefore, our shape is going to be like this. And if like this, join these points and these points and these points. So this will be new shape. And if we want to write coordinates of the vertices, that is easy. If this is the origin and this D double dash is just 1 unit toward left, so this would be -1, 0. And this would be -1, -2, -3, -4, -6, -7. So this would be -7, 0. And A dash would be -2, 2 units toward left, because it's to the left of y-axis, that therefore it has to have a negative sign. So this would be -2, and how many units? 3 units above, 3, and now -3, -4, -5, -6, and -7. Okay, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. This was supposed to be -6, and this is -7, 3, and here this d double dash is -1 and 6, -1 and 6, and c d double dash would be -6 and +6. So these are the coordinates of the larger part of the diagram. Therefore, this question is done, and now we have another question in which says find the line of symmetry in the following figure. The line of symmetry here is just about this vertical line. This is the line of symmetry, and there is only one line of symmetry in this triangle here. This is line of symmetry, and we can have here how many lines of symmetry here. In this figure we have, this is one line of symmetry here, this is another line of symmetry here, and this is another line of symmetry here, and this is another line of symmetry here. So line of symmetry, line of symmetry, this is line of symmetry, and this is line of symmetry. Therefore we have 4 lines of symmetry. 4 lines of symmetry.